If you love a spotless home and a cleaner planet, you'll want to know hydrogen peroxide. Simple chemistry, massive impact. Hydrogen peroxide, H2O2, looks almost like water but with an extra oxygen hug. That extra oxygen is everything. When H2O2 breaks down, it splits into plain water, H2O, and a free oxygen atom that oxidizes dirt, stains, and microbes. No lingering harsh residues. At home, that means a bright, safe clean. Kitchen counters, bathrooms, whitening laundry, all powered by bubbling chemistry that leaves surfaces fresh and water as a harmless byproduct. Think daylight, natural cleaning, family-friendly peace of mind. Scale that up and the story gets even cooler. In factories, hydrogen peroxide treats textiles without toxic dye residues, purifies water at treatment plants, sanitizes food processing lines, all while helping companies meet green certifications. It's a bridge from household simplicity to industrial rigor. Add automation and smart home tech, self-cleaning appliances, dosing systems, real-time sensors, and H2O2 moves from bottle under the sink to integral part of clean tech systems. Startups are already wiring chemistry into devices that make clean safer, smarter, and more sustainable. Environmentally, the payoff is clear, effective disinfection, fewer persistent chemicals, and clean water as an outcome, not a compromise. That's real sustainability. Final image, a light bulb sparking into a floating H2O2 molecule, then a green future city, bright, efficient, and hopeful. Small molecule, big future. Hydrogen peroxide cleaning, naturally amplified.